Obesity is a global health problem affecting 70 million people in the US. 1.9 billion adults are overweight worldwide. According to McKinsey & Company, from Australia, China, India, and the Middle East, to Europe, South Africa, South America, and Mexico, roughly 30% of the world's population is now obese. By 2030, this number will almost swell to 50%. Already, obesity is a $2 trillion hit to the world economy, according to the McKinsey report. As obesity rates continue to grow internationally, so does the tremendous market opportunity to treat obesity and obesity-related health problems. With the US representing approximately a third of the obesity market, private and institutional investors currently find themselves amidst one of the biggest investment opportunities in healthcare. OncoMed is one such opportunity addressing this unmet need to become an emerging leader in treatment of obesity and diabetes with their innovative, minimally invasive procedure called the GVS system. This is a long-term medical implant which imitates gastric surgery without cutting or permanently removing portions of the stomach. For more information about OncoMed, please visit our website at www.oncomed.com.